Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends. How are you all, my YouTube community and my lovely friends? I hope my all the sweet viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to say this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing, attractive and trending designs of handmade crochet fingerless gloves ideas. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful, most amazing collection of handmade fingerless gloves ideas. So share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of fingerless gloves ideas. I really hope that they will love these most amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs. You must apply these beautiful designs for more beautiful and classical look. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay my lovely viewers, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.